Oh, my avocado is a bit ripe. Oh yeah, it works. Look. It has a stem over it. What is this called? I don't know. So we take this out. To take this out, I'm not gonna use this knife. I'm gonna use this huge knife. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this, spin. Look, it's easy. Okay, next time you do it.
Okay, next time I'm gonna do it this time.
Okay. presents for my friends, but I ended up buying things for my own room. Could you just give me a second? I'm recording. Look, if you're judging me for eating on my bed right now, then shut your mouth, because this is the only place where I can be myself, where I can be quiet and peace from that. So I don't give a fuck. What am I gonna do? Not eat? It's not me. I didn't know there was no duet in American sheet packages, so I'm gonna get another duet, a new duet tomorrow. But for now, it looks so cute. In case nobody sent you a good night text tonight, good night, sweetie.